Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest gadgets and tech to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're checking out the CARKUMI 11.3-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen for your car. This device promises to bring a full smartphone experience to your dashboard with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier than ever to access music, navigation, and messaging while keeping your hands on the wheel. Right off the bat, the standout feature is the large 11.3-inch HD touchscreen. With its anti-glare IPS display, it offers wide viewing angles, high sensitivity, and vibrant colors. Everything from navigation maps to video playback looks crisp and clear, which is a huge upgrade over traditional in-car displays. The screen also features intelligent brightness adjustment, so it automatically brightens during the day and dims at night, ensuring comfortable visibility in any lighting condition without straining your eyes. The CARKUMI screen isn't just about looks. It comes with a 4K dash cam that supports loop recording, and it can connect to your car's rear-view camera for seamless reversing assistance. With the included 64GB SD card, you can continuously record your driving, which can be invaluable for safety and documentation. You can also manage the dash cam wirelessly via a dedicated app, which works with both iOS and Android devices, making it easy to access recordings and adjust settings on the go. For audio, this device offers 4 output modes: Bluetooth, FM, aux, or the built-in speakers. Whether you're in a noisy traffic jam or cruising on the highway, the CARKUMI ensures a stable and clear audio experience. It also supports Mirror Link, so you can display content from your phone that isn't supported by CarPlay or Android Auto, turning your car into a versatile media center. Installation is simple and doesn't require any permanent modifications to your vehicle. You just mount the device on your dashboard using the included suction cup holder or instrument panel bracket and plug it into the car's cigarette lighter. This makes it compatible with nearly any car, bus, or truck, and it's fully portable if you ever want to switch vehicles. Voice control adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to operate music, navigation, and other functions without touching the screen. This not only makes driving safer but also adds to the overall ease of use. Combine that with app view functionality, and you can wirelessly manage the dash cam, stream content, and enjoy a more connected driving experience. In summary, the CARKUMI 11.3-inch portable CarPlay screen brings together style, functionality, and safety. It offers a high-quality touch display, 4K dash cam recording, multiple audio outputs, wireless connectivity, and easy installation, all designed to enhance your driving experience. If you're looking to upgrade your car's infotainment system without a complex installation, this could be an excellent choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.